What's up guys, welcome to another DIY with Fame Ebong, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to make a laundry bar soap or a multi-purpose soap with calcium carbonate. So in this video I'll be making soap, and one of the ingredients I'll be incorporating into this my recipe is called the calcium carbonate. So I'll teach you guys how to use calcium carbonate when making your soap at home. Calcium carbonate is actually an additive. So many soap makers use calcium carbonate to increase the quantity of their soap or the size of their soap. Over here is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 472 grams. Then this is my calcium carbonate. I'm making use of 355 grams. Now when working with these chemicals, you have to first of all dissolve them in water. Over here is the water I'll be using. I'm making use of 1200 grams of water. I'm going to dissolve my calcium carbonate first of all in the water. Next, I will dissolve my caustic soda in that same water that I dissolved my calcium carbonate. You can see how easy this procedure is. It's not actually difficult. Dissolve your calcium carbonate and your caustic soda in the same water. Next, this is my white color. One thing about white color is that white color can dissolve both in oil and in water. You can use your oil to dissolve your white color. You can use water to dissolve your white color. So when you are working with white color for making soap, just have it in your mind that you can dissolve it with water and you can dissolve it with oil. Over here in this video, I am dissolving my white color with the oil I'm using to make my soap. So you can use any liquid to dissolve your white color. White color can be oil soluble and it can be water soluble. Also, I organize online classes just in case you want to join my class and learn how to make the soap, the body cream, detergent, Dettol, perfume. There's a lot you learn in my class. You can check this video description for the link where you can join the class. But if you have issues joining through the link, you can reach me on WhatsApp through this mobile number I have displayed on the screen of this video here. Just chat me on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. There you will learn how to make a lot of things. You will learn how to make soap like a pro. You will become a cosmetologist overnight. So just join our trainings to become a pro. So after 24 hours, this is the result of our soap. This equipment is just 10,500 naira. Just in case you need it, you can reach us to purchase it. We sell a lot of equipment. We sell soap stamp, we sell soap mold, we sell soap trimmers, we sell soap groove makers. We have different type of soap mold. We have soap cutters. So just in case you need our equipment, do well by reaching me through this mobile number displayed there. And we deliver nationwide. We also deliver to Ghana, we deliver to Cameroon, and we deliver to South Africa. So if you are in these countries and you need these equipment, do well by reaching us to purchase it. And also, these are soap cutter. We have varieties of soap cutters. This is just one of them. If you need this cutter, you can reach us to purchase it. Now, the amazing thing about this cutter is that this cutter can cut soap in different sizes. I'm going to show you a demonstration. I'm going to reduce the adjustment and cut another size. Now, when you want to cut different size, you just adjust it. From this adjustment, you can see these are different sizes. I'm going to cut another smaller size. I'll adjust it again. So this cutter is actually very easy to use. If you want to cut a smaller size, you simply adjust it and you cut. It will give you a smaller size. So you can cut for 100 naira, you can cut for 200 naira, you can cut for 300 naira, you can cut for 150 naira. So you can see, you can cut for different price. Just in case your customer wants for a certain amount, you cut that size for your customer. So do well by reaching us to purchase it. Like I said, we deliver even up to Ghana, Cameroon, and South Africa, and we deliver to every state in Nigeria. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video. If you're watching it on TikTok, do well by following me on TikTok. If you're watching this on Facebook, do well by following me. If you're watching it on YouTube, do well by following me. Goodbye and have a lovely day. See you all next time on our next video.